Hello viewers, today we're going to be making pork shoulder slow roasted in the oven. And this all starts with the meat. So here's that beautiful pork shoulder that's going to feed the family. We'll start seasoning this thing with some sea salt, paprika, some freshly ground black pepper, and some garlic citrus pork rub. Normally I would make the rub myself, but I have this on hand. Now we just have to rub it all in. Make sure you get all the nooks and crannies. The flavor going everywhere. Then we'll just go ahead and flip it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put the citrus garlic on the other side, along with the sea salt and freshly ground black pepper and the paprika. Once again, we're gonna rub a dub all in. I got a little bit of lime juice, just gonna go ahead and put on the bottom. Help keep it moist. And a little bit of water. Next, we just have to cover it with the foil. This will help keep the moisture locked in. Don't forget to have that fat cap on top. This will allow the pork shoulder to stay moist as the fatty part renders down. Now this pork shoulder will be used in various ways. It could be used on top of ramen, or pork tacos, pulled pork sandwiches, nachos, carnitas, or whatever. It's going to be part of quite a few meals, so let's put it in the oven and get the show on the road. Place it in the oven. Oops. Should go on the bottom timer of 8 hours. And we'll check back in. Man, does that smell good. We'll take off the aluminum foil. Oh yeah. Now we can see all that liquid. That's the fat that's rendered down, keeping it from getting dry, keeping it moist. Dang, that's good.